everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Cryptology application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Open Cryptology application from your app drawer. Once you end up in this main home page, click on Sign In or Create Account option. To sign into your account, tap on Sign In at the top of the screen. You will now need to enter your email followed by your account's password. Type in your email in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your correct password for your account. After you are done entering your password, click on Sign In order to log into your Cryptology app. If you don't remember your password throughout the process, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions to reset to a new password. So that was how you can easily sign in or log in to Cryptology. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.